Welders are hard to hire, harder to train, and 3 months later they're gone. The pain is sharpest on multivariant, small batch work. Drag to teach is the other path. Teach a robot a new seam in 3 minutes. The operator holds the torch and traces the seam by hand. The Cobot records the path. No G-code, no teach pendant, no programmer. What about the welding parameters beyond the path? A process library, arc current, shielding gas, weave width, crater fill, all pre-built into a menu the operator picks from based on the part. The process library encapsulates the senior welder's craft, touch, rhythm, parameter combinations, so a junior operator picks from the menu and gets a consistent beat. The Cobot itself adds fenceless operation, force limiting, collision detection. The operator stands next to the robot and swaps parts without walking around a safety gate. Switching parts is minute scale. Drag a new path, pick a new process from the menu, swap the quick change fixture, and the line is running the next batch. 3C enclosures, small home appliance weldments, motorcycle thin sheet parts, custom metal furniture. Every multivariant, small batch welding job fits the same pattern. Drag to teach doesn't replace the welder. It scales the welder's craft from one person to a full line. This is EVST. We make collaborative welding a standard process any operator can run.